Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about anterior compartment of thigh. Okay. Anterior compartment of thigh is also called extensor compartment. Okay. In anterior compartment of thigh we have muscles that are sartorius and then vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, vastus intermedius and then rectus femoris muscle. Okay. In this video we are going to see about origin and insertion of these muscles and the nerve supply. Okay. This is the fan shaped iliac bone. Okay. This is the iliac crust. Okay. Iliac crust anteriorly end as anterior superior iliac spine. This is anterior superior iliac spine and this is the anterior inferior iliac spine and this is acetabulum. Okay, acetabulum. Acetabulum articulates with the head of femur. This is the head of femur bone. Okay. And in the neck of femur, the upper end is concave and the lower end is oblique straight line. Okay, oblique straight line. And the shaft of upper end of shaft of femur, we have trochanters, two trochanters. One is the greater trochanter and the other is lesser trochanter. Okay, and this is the shaft. Okay, and this is the anterior view. Okay, and in the anterior view, greater and lesser trochanters are joined by the intertrochanteric line. Okay, intertrochanteric line, and this is the anterior view. We are going to see about sartorius muscle. Okay. Sartorius muscle origin. It originates from the anterior superior iliac spine and inserted in the upper end of shaft of tibia. Okay, medial surface of upper end of shaft of tibia. Okay. And this shaft has two condyles in the lower end of femur. Okay, and this femur articulates with the tibia. Lower end of femur articulates with the tibia. Tibia is the weight bearing bone. This is tibia. Okay, this is tibia. Tibia is in the lateral side. Tibia is in the medial side. And fibula which is articulated with the tibia is in the lateral side. Okay, this is the fibula. Okay, sartorius muscle originate in the anterior superior iliac spine and it inserted in the medial surface of upper end of tibia. Okay. Originate from the anterior superior iliac spine and inserted in the upper end of medial surface of tibia. And sartorius muscles is also called Taylor's muscle. Okay, Taylor's muscle. This is sartorius muscle, also called tailless muscle. Okay, and origin, anterior superior iliac spine, insertion, upper end of shaft of tibia, medial surface, this medial surface. Okay, and then nerve supply, femoral nerve. Most of the anterior compartment muscles are supplied by the femoral nerve, and blood supply, vascular supply also femoral artery. Okay, branches of femoral artery, branches of femoral nerve, that. Okay, femoral nerve, vascular supply, femoral artery. Okay, I think you understand this. Okay, and next muscle is the rectus femoris muscle. Okay, rectus femoris muscle. First of all, you want to know that it has two heads. One is the straight head and the other is the reflected head. Okay, rectus femoris, it has two heads. One is the straight head and the reflected head. Okay, this straight head originates from the anterior inferior iliac spine, and the reflected head originated from the groove that is present above the acetabulum. Okay, acetabulum. Okay, straight head originates from the anterior inferior iliac spine, and the reflected head originates from the groove that is present above the acetabular margin. Okay, and these two heads combine and form a fusiform muscle, shaped muscle. Okay, and this fusiform shaped muscle is bipinnate. Bipinnate means what? This muscle fibers are directed in two directions. Okay, fusiform shaped and also bipinnate. And the insertion in the base of the patella. This is the patella bone, which is the largest sesamoid shaped bone in our body, and this rectus femoris muscle inserted in the base of patella. This is the base of patella, inserted in the base of patella. Okay, I think you understand this. This is the rectus femoris muscle. Okay, and origin, straight head, anterior, inferior, iliac spine. Okay, and it is the fusiform shaped and bipinnate. Okay, insertion, base of patella. Base of patella, and then nerve supply, femoral nerve, and vascular supply, femoral artery. Okay, I think you understand rectus femoris, and it is the one of the muscle of quadriceps femoris muscle. Okay, quadriceps femoris, that is vastus medialis, vastus intermedius, vastus lateralis and rectus femoris, all comes under the quadriceps femoris. Comes under quadriceps femoris. Okay, that's all about the rectus femoris muscle. Okay, thank you everyone. In my next video, that is part 2, I upload vastus medialis, vastus lateralis and vastus intermedius, margin and insertion nerve supply. Okay, thank you everyone. Subscribe to the channel and motivate us.